Hey, here we are. We're talking about concrete, representational, and abstract, and we're talking about it in first grade. Remember, in first grade, your fluency is within 10, but you're exploring strategies all the way within 20. So this is like when you're exploring doubles, and you can do lower doubles within 10, and then the rest of the doubles up to 20. I love the Reckon Rec. It's a beautiful tool. And so now I can have the kids show me doubles on the Reckon Rec. You know, what is 7 plus 7? But I could also show the kids the abstract and say, build that on your Reckon Rec. And then I could say, oh, I want you to record that on your Reckon Rec paper. Or build the doubles and then record it. Concrete, pictorial, right? Find the card that matches what you did, abstract. Right, so look at that cycle. Concrete, pictorial, and abstract is the number sentence. So right there, I have the cycle of engagement in an activity. Concrete, pictorial, abstract. It's a relationship, right? Okay, so the kids can also just play games where they pick a card and they have to build it, right? Or they can play games where they pick a model and they have to match the card, right? Or they can play war with all the cards where they have the card and the model and they're playing war. So there's lots of things, but you see, within everything I just mentioned, we're looking at that cycle of concrete, pictorial, abstract. Concrete, pictorial, abstract. That is so important that kids get to relate what they're doing, that abstract work with the numbers, to the models, to the physical thing. Concrete, pictorial, abstract. That is what you're always thinking about when you're thinking about concepts. How am I engaging the kids around this idea of concrete, pictorial, abstract when I'm doing the work with them and building number sets?